Hey everyone, welcome back to Profit Powerhouse. If you're even remotely into cryptocurrency, then you're probably feeling the intensity right now because things are heating up and we're diving into it all today. Bitcoin is showing signs of a massive movement, and trust me, it's not just the hype. Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Chainlink are all part of this crypto wave that's taking over the financial world as we speak. But here's the kicker. Are you prepared for what's coming? In this video, we're going to break down the latest Bitcoin news, crypto trends, and everything you need to know about Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Chainlink. So don't blink or you'll miss it. Stick with us because this is the moment crypto enthusiasts have been waiting for. Let's get into it.
The crypto market is buzzing with action. Bitcoin's price is surging. Altcoins are making unexpected moves, and investors are on the edge of their seats. But what's really driving these shifts? Is this the beginning of a massive bull run, or are we facing another volatile cycle? Stay tuned as we break down the latest trends, expert insights, and key factors shaping the market right now. Market overview. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing significant fluctuations, with Bitcoin reclaiming critical resistance levels and Ethereum showing strong bullish momentum. As institutional investors continue pouring into the market, we're witnessing an increase in both market volume and volatility. But what does this mean for traders and long-term investors? Bitcoin and altcoin analysis. Bitcoin has recently broken past a crucial resistance level, fueling optimism among traders. Analysts suggest that if BTC sustains this momentum, we could see a push toward new all-time highs. Meanwhile, altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and XRP are showing interesting price movements, with some outperforming Bitcoin in percentage gains. Ethereum's upcoming network upgrades and rising adoption in decentralized finance DeFi are key drivers behind its price surge. Solana continues to attract developers with its high-speed transactions and low fees, making it a strong competitor in the smart contract space. Market sentiment and institutional interest. The sentiment across the market appears to be shifting, with institutional players increasingly investing in crypto assets. BlackRock and other financial giants are expanding their crypto portfolios, signaling confidence in long-term growth. At the same time, on-chain data suggests that whales are accumulating Bitcoin, which could further drive price action in the coming months. Regulatory developments and macro trends. Regulation remains a key factor influencing market sentiment. The SEC's stance on Bitcoin ETFs, crypto taxation, and global regulatory changes continue to shape investor behavior. Additionally, macroeconomic factors like inflation, interest rate policies, and geopolitical events are playing a crucial role in crypto price movements. What's next for crypto? With Bitcoin's price action signaling bullish strength and altcoins gaining momentum, the next few weeks could be critical for the market. Will we see a full-scale bull run, or should investors prepare for potential corrections? We'll keep you updated with in-depth analysis, expert opinions, and real-time market insights. What are your thoughts on the current crypto market trends? Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin and altcoins? Drop your predictions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Profit Powerhouse.